Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to crochet this very cute baby hat for the size 0 to 3 months. My hat, as you see, is in 3 colors, but now I'll be using cotton in light orange color. This is pure cotton and I'll be using crochet hook 4.5 mm. Let's get started this little beanie. Slip knot, then I'll make chain 4. Close the ring, then chain 2. Do not count this chain 2 as double crochet, yarn over, and I'll make 12 double crochets into this ring. Close the round by making slip stitch to the first double crochet, and I have 12 double crochets for round 1. I continue with the next round, that will be round 2, chain 2, and I will work 2 double crochets in every stitch. Now I'll join to close this round by making slip stitch to the first stitch. This is the first double crochet, and I have 24 double crochets for the round 2, and I continue with the next round. Round 3, chain 2, yarn over, make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, yarn over, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2, yarn over, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, then 2 double crochets. Continue by repeating these stitches until the end of the round. When you finish this round, you should have 36 stitches. I'll finish the round by making 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Then I will join to the first stitch by making slip stitch, and our stitches are 36. Next round will be round 4, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, yarn over and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2, yarn over, 1 double crochet in the next stitch 2 times, yarn over, then make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, yarn over, 1 double crochet 2 times, then 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Continue by repeating the stitches until the end of the round 4. I'll finish the round by making 2 double crochets in the last stitch. Then join with slip stitch to the first double crochet. Round 4 is completed. I have 48 stitches. This is very easy texture and it is similar to my previous baby hat. Chain 2, yarn over, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and make double crochet, then single crochet into the same stitch, yarn over, skip 1 stitch and make double crochet, and single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over and repeat. Double crochet, then single crochet. And make the last double crochet and the single crochet with. Then join to the first stitch by making a slip stitch, and round 5 is completed. Round 6, chain 1, yarn over and make double crochet into the space between the first 2 stitches and the last 2 stitches. Then make single crochet into the same space, yarn over and move on the next space. This is the space between the first 2 and the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet, then single crochet in the same space. Yarn over and continue by repeating these 2 stitches until the end of the round. The last single crochet, then join to the first stitch. By making slip stitch, and round 6 is completed. The next round is round 7 and it will be the same as round 6. Chain 1, yarn over and double crochet into the first space. Then single crochet in the same space. Yarn over, double crochet, then single crochet, double crochet and single crochet, and repeat these easy stitches until you finish round 7, and you continue to crochet by repeating round 6 or round 7 until the end of the hat. You can use different colors and change them in every 3 rounds or 4 rounds or as you prefer. This hat is beginner friendly. You can use different yarn. For this model I prefer cotton yarn with the hat. You can crochet the hat by using different yarn as acrylic or some mixed yarn, cotton and acrylic. I'll publish the pattern in my new site and the link is in the description box. Join with slip stitch and continue in the next round. I'll finish the head